I've challenged myself to make 22 meals for my 22 housemates with an item of their choosing and a handful of ingredients.
Hello.
And this week we're handing it over to housemate number 2.
Hi, I'm Jess. I'm a meat eater, but I'm trying to make more veggie food at home. I've had this bag of lentils in my cupboard for months and I have no idea what to do with them. I love meals with lots of flavour, but I'm a bit rubbish with spice, which Mia does know about, so I'm intrigued to see what she comes up with.
So I have a confession to make. I rarely cook with lentils. This recipe has got me just a bit hooked. It's a cheap, midweek, dal-inspired bowl of heaven with coconut milk, peanut butter and loads of aromatics. It's warming, creamy and beautifully spiced, and like a fine wine, it gets better with time. The beauty of a split red lentil here is their speedy cooking time and the fact that they are little protein machines that will keep you full and satisfied for ages. To add a little bit of pizzazz, I've whipped up some fried aubergine with mango chutney glaze, which is way simpler than it sounds. So let's see what Jess thinks.
It's ready!
Oh my god. That is really nice.
Yeah?
I could never have done this with a bag of lentils. I'm going to take the whole bowl.